In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change document background color in Google Docs. Let's get started by opening a Google Docs document from your Google Drive. You can pick any existing document you want to restyle or open a new blank one if you're starting fresh. The important part is that the document is open in your browser so we can access the settings we need. With your document open, look up to the top left of the screen and click the File menu. From that drop-down, choose Page Setup. This is where Google Docs keeps document-wide settings like margins, orientation, paper size, and the background color we're about to change. It's a simple change, but making it here ensures the color applies to the entire document consistently. Inside Page Setup, find the option labeled Page Color. You'll see a small color circle or a color picker button next to it. This is your control for the background. Clicking it will open a palette with a selection of preset colors, along with an option to pick a custom shade if you want something more specific. Go ahead and select your preferred color. As you hover, you can preview the shade. When you click, it becomes the choice for your document background. If you want a precise brand color or a very specific tone, choose the custom option to dial in an exact shade. For most documents, lighter, softer colors like pale gray, cream, or light pastels keep text readable and comfortable on the eyes. Dark or saturated colors can look striking, but you may need to adjust your text color to maintain contrast. Once you've chosen the color, confirm your change in the Page Setup dialog to apply it to the entire document. When you return to your doc, you'll see the new background in place right away. That's it. You now have a document with a different background color. If anything doesn't look quite right, you can undo the change or pop back into Page Setup and try another shade. A couple of quick tips to finish. If your text feels hard to read, switch your font color to something darker or lighter to improve contrast. If you plan to use the same background often, look for the option in Page Setup to set your current choices as the default, so new documents start with that color automatically. And if you ever want to go back to the standard look, repeat the process and choose white. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Google Docs with a background that fits your style.